Hi everyone, and welcome back to the next part of the B200 clock series. Today we'll be disassembling an old mechanical hard drive to access the hard drive platters. Got my lint-free gloves on, so let's get started. The plate all wrapped up in Kapton tape to protect it from scratches. Next up, starting to drill the holes for the disc assembly for the nut, so that's up next.
We have the bronze nut, we have our disc bladders protected by the Kapton tape, and then one of the center discs with existing holes drilled through. So I'm going to use this, place it on top of the disc that we want to drill, and then just position it on the nut and then start with a pilot hole. Once that's done, I'm going to fix the new hard drive bladder to the nut and then just drill it from the back to have perfect concentricity. We've got the pilot cap screw in, so now we're just going to drill the other 5mm holes here straight through. So in this final step we have the center of the disc assembly with the magnets. We have one of the hard drive platters. Got the brass nut, and now it's time to remove the protective tape covering, install it on the nut, the magnetic assembly over here, and then the secondary magnetic hard drive disc. Once that is complete, it will be immediately installed in the B200 clock. All of the rod elements have already been assembled. And there we go. So just to add the last 3 bolts and nuts.
And here we have the final disc assembly. All the nuts and bolts attached. Comes out looking pretty good. Just noting the reflection that you'll see this perfect finish. So all that's left now is to assemble the entire clock. We have the completed assembly with the disc assembly, clutch, all the different components assembled into the unit. All that remains now is to pull through all the wiring, connect all the components. So thanks for watching this video of the disc assembly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any questions down in the comments below. Until the next video, thanks for watching.